Did you crush it this week? Because we absolutely crushed it. We're going to go through gold, dollar, silver, US oil, the entries, the targets, the stop losses, and where price doesn't need to break for you to still be correct about the trend. My name is MINDBLOWING. I'm a Forex trader and I've been trading Forex for over 7 years. So let's go. Trading Forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Whatever has happened in the past doesn't have to happen in the future. And this video is only for educational purposes, not financial advice, probably also entertainment. So let's go. Let's start off with the government bonds 10-year, the 10-year T-note from America. I have talked to some hedge fund managers. They are thinking of 2%. That is not good for dollar bearishness. So this one is in a bullish trend. It broke above and so far it looks like it's going to go higher. For the DXY, we have two setups here. One was to hold the 2%, the 92 area. It did. Great on our sellers. For buyers, it came back down to 91.30, which is previous resistance turning support. So we are just in the middle. Whatever your direction is, up or down on dollar, choose one team, please. There is reason for both, and I would say we're basically in a tug war. We are just in between. I don't know where it's going to go, but just choose one of them. If it goes to your stop loss, leave it alone. If it goes to your break even, leave it alone. It is going in the way for the purpose. Now, a tip for you. When there is a Fed meeting, there is one on Wednesday, the dollar seemed to fall coming into the meeting and then strengthen as we go out of the meeting. So, is that something that would you consider for this next coming week? I just gave you one of my secrets. For Australian dollar, US dollar, as you can see, we want this to go higher. For last week, we wanted this to go up to 78.70. It didn't happen, but we got some very good entries this week. We have one at 76.80 area, we have one at 77, and we have one at 77.30 area. All this taken and mentioned in my Discord channel. So if you want to see how I trade, that's where you should go. I will also live on Zoom meetings when that happen. So yeah, it's totally up to you. And now as we have reversed, we are thinking higher. Do remember, this one can fail and fall further down. So if price breaks 70, I am no longer interested. So that's like my support level. I will take my stop losses and go home and do something else if that happens. And I'm thinking higher, and I'm thinking up to 78, 70 again, or 81 longer term. I also think that we might change on Wednesday. So if we get a high fast this week, I will definitely bail faster than you can say bail. If we are high here on Tuesday, that would be significant. The other thing is, I would also say that if you're a seller, you should not be above 78 on Australian dollar, US dollar, and you should have 50 pips stop loss. And if you don't have interest already, you're already too late. Sorry, bro. But Friday was a good one at least as well. For the COT report, we have US dollar, we have more longs coming in, but also more shorts coming in. But yeah, overall more longs. We have Australian dollar shorts taking profit, going more into longs. That is good. That's what we want. For euro, which is the biggest change here, we have more shorts coming in, long taking profit, meaning more bearish, but we still have 200,000 contracts on long. So I'm still not worried. But I think that what is really important for the COT report is to note that this was taken before the reversal was taking place. British pound, we have long taking profit, short taking profit, okay, just as, and then Japanese yen, 15,000 contracts coming in for the short side. That's why yen has been so weak lately. And New Zealand coming more longs coming in. That is great, fantastic. We have gold, long taking profit again, short adding. I hope this is now changed from next week, but still, this is concerning. We have taken a lot of profits on gold. Silver coming in at long taken profit, shorts not adding so much, but that's still bullish. Crude, more longs coming in, short taking profit, and this has been skyrocketing ever since. So for euro dollar, we were thinking up this week. As of the last week's analysis, we wanted to go up to 21.24. We wanted to hold 1900. It didn't. Went down to 1850. Great, fantastic. But after that, we have some other entries in here. We have entries around 1874 and around 1911, and some others that I haven't posted we haven't posted yet, but yeah, they're in there and they are in the Discord channel. What else? We want this to go higher. We're in between, so this could be a sell, this could be the buy. We don't know where markets are gonna go. Choose one team only. 50 pips stop loss if you're a seller. If it goes above 120, don't take it. If it goes below 1900 as a buyer, don't take it, just leave it, For pound dollar, here we have this next week's trading plan. We were thinking of going it up to 140.63. We have some entries here at 38.50, 38.80, and I also had an entry here at 39.20. I got stopped out, came back down again at 39 area. Not too good entry there. It could have been lower, but so far so good. Want this to go higher, and this is a proper reversal, so that's all good. Then we're thinking that if price goes below 38.60, you are stopping out as a buyer. If it goes above 140 as a seller, you're gutting out. And if it falls again after that, well, that's a different story. But you really need to understand when you're wrong, and when you're wrong, you don't trade anymore. For pound yen, we have an upward move. We want price to come back to 150 and then continue up to 153. We also want price to just touch it and go higher. We don't want price to go below 150. We also don't want price to fall hard either. But so far we are in a continuous move higher. That's the only thing we can look for. New Zealand dollar. This is some of my entries. We have entries around 71.42. We have some entries around 71, either here or here, I'm not sure, but we want the price to come down here. It's a bit low. I don't like it. It's a bit low, but it is what it is. I can't really do anything about it. If price breaks above 72.50, great, we're going to continue higher. If we are looking into 71, if we're looking down at 71.40 and lower, I am no longer interested. USD CAD, we are thinking of going up to 125.50 and then short it down to 123.50. Great. If it goes above 25.84, we're no longer bearish. Great, but that's also the resistance levels you would like to see, so probably a bit more above 26.27. The other thing is, this one is strong, dollar is weak, so this is maybe the one that's going to fall the most probably. So interest around 127, 50 pips stop loss, take profit around there, and yeah, if this one is supposed to fall, then yeah, great, fantastic, good. Now we can go into gold. What is the mover of gold, and what is gold really telling us? First of all, I thought gold was going to hold 120. I hoped it would hold 1720. That was my plan. Now, it came a bit lower. Okay. I think I mentioned that as a plan B. I didn't want that to happen as a plan B, but it happened as a plan B. So plan B, it happened. For gold, we want this to go up to 1764 this week. 2000 all over. We have a struggle now with the treasury yields. Yes, that is a strong counterforce to this. If this continues to fall, okay, great. So if you want to sell it, you don't want it to be above 1732. Don't be above 1732. If it goes below 1700. Don't be a buyer. Don't be a buyer. Just get out, and then we'll take it from there. But yeah, we are top to the upside. We are kind of reversing, so if it comes back down again to 1714, great, fantastic. That's a good entry. Then we would like to see that price goes higher this week. It is important that it goes higher. If this is the top, then we have failed the reversals we have been seeing in this market here. For silver, we're thinking, okay, reversal, come back down a bit too low for me, but still great. Going up to 127, going up to $30 and eventually. If you go below again, at below 25.40, I don't like it anymore. I'm like, good day, good night, bye bye. If it fails and then goes lower than 24 or 25 around ish, I would just say get out massively. Then what else? Yeah, great. US oil, we are thinking this one should go higher. We are thinking that, yeah, should go out to about $70 before falling. On gold, silver, you need to use 1% of your account, not more than that. If you spend more than 1%, you can't trade. Not more than 1% on gold. It is very volatile. It's actually not for trading profits, it's actually for hedging. So you're using the instrument against what it was supposed to be. So yeah, stop loss below 63 on oil, and yeah, that's that. Today I'm going to be live at 19:32 GMT +2. I hope you will be there. Please subscribe, please like this video so that more people can see this. And